Understanding, don't try too hard. Navigating effort and ease in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often puzzles English learners. Don't try too hard. It's a common piece of advice that might seem contradictory at first. Why wouldn't you want to give your all? Let's explore the nuances and hidden meanings behind this phrase to help you use it correctly in English conversations. Don't try too hard is an idiomatic expression that advises against putting too much effort into a task or attempting to impress others. It suggests that sometimes, overly exerting yourself can lead to negative outcomes, such as stress, burnout, or even failure. This phrase is often used in social, academic, or professional contexts to remind someone to take a more relaxed and natural approach. This phrase can be particularly useful in several situations. Social interactions, to advise someone not to overdo it in trying to be liked or accepted. Work or school projects, to remind someone that perfection isn't always necessary and that it's okay to do your best without stressing over every detail. Personal goals, to encourage a balanced approach to achieving objectives without overwhelming oneself. When using this phrase, it's important to consider the tone and context, as it should be offered as friendly advice rather than criticism. At the heart of "don't try too hard" lies the concept of balance. It's about finding the sweet spot between effort and ease, where you're engaged and doing your best without crossing into the territory of stress and anxiety. This balance is crucial for long-term success and well-being in any area of life. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase might be used. A friend is nervous about a first date. Just be yourself and don't try too hard. Let the conversation flow naturally. A colleague is working late hours on a project. Remember, it's important to do a good job, but don't try too hard to the point where you're sacrificing your health. Don't try too hard is more than just a saying. It's a reminder to embrace effort without overextending ourselves. By understanding and applying this phrase in the right contexts, we can improve our approach to challenges and interactions, making our experiences more enjoyable and less stressful. We hope this video has shed some light on the nuances of this interesting phrase. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep learning and growing every day.